In the last tutorial, we saw manage crop and seeding. In this tutorial, we are going to go through the transplanting tab. For the purpose of demonstration, I will create two batches of seeding. One backdated to 45 days and one created 7 days ago. To create a new batch, click on Add New, select the crop, and I will select a date which is 45 days back. So in this case, I will select the date as March 22nd, 2021 and click OK. Enter the number of seeds and click on Save. And a new batch is created. Similarly, we'll create the second batch. Click on Add New, select the crop, select the date 7 days ago. So in this case, it would be 29th April. Click OK. Enter the number of seeds as 50 and click on Save. Now you can see there are two batches that are created. Each batch has a unique batch number that has been created. Now click on the Transplanting tab and you can see that the same two batches are here. The first column is the batch number. The second column is the description of the crop. It tells you which crop you are growing, the number of plants, and the last day it was transplanted. The third column is the current stage. It shows you in which stage your crop is currently in. The next is the progress column. It shows you how many days have passed since you have started growing the crop and how many days are remaining until harvest. The last column is the next action. This column is perhaps the most important column. It tells when you have to take an action, that is moving your crop from one stage to another in your farm. As you can see, the batch I had created 45 days ago is showing overdue by 38 days since I have backdated it for demonstration purpose. Now when I click on transplant, I can select the date on which I am moving my crop from one stage to another. In this case, I will select a date that I have moved my crop. I will choose 29th of March 2021 and click OK. Add the number of plants and then click on transplant to the next stage. Now you can see that the current stage is changed from germination to nursery. So as we proceed week by week, we can update it on our Agcetra ARP software. The Agcetra software will also tell you when you have to take the next action. Since this case is for a demonstration purpose and is backdated, it is not quite evident. But if we see the second batch, the Agcetra ARP software is notifying us that we have to take an action on the crop that is in the farm and as well as on the Agcetra ARP software. So when I click on transplant, click on today's date and click OK. Then enter the number of plants and click on transplant to next stage. Again, you can see that the stage has changed and the software shows that the next action is due in 3 days. That is, I will move plants from one stage to another in the farm. Agcetra ARP software will keep you notified on when you have to do the next transplanting. Once all stages are completed, the crop is ready for harvesting and is shown and indicated by the last column. In the next tutorial, we will see harvesting tab. Thank you.